Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea because of the incredible amount of life they support. They are vibrant underwater structures made by tiny creatures called coral polyps. These polyps work together to build large, hard reefs by secreting calcium carbonate from the ocean's water. Over time, these calcium deposits form massive reef systems that are essential to the health of marine life. While they cover less than 1% of the Earth's ocean floor, coral reefs are home to about 25% of all marine species, making them one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. Coral reefs are made up of living organisms, primarily coral polyps. These polyps are small, soft-bodied animals that attach themselves to the ocean floor and produce a hard skeleton made of calcium carbonate, which is the same material found in seashells. Over generations, these coral polyps build up layers of these calcium carbonate skeletons, forming large, complex reef structures. Coral reefs thrive in warm, shallow waters, where sunlight can reach the ocean floor. They are often found in tropical regions around the world, such as the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, the Coral Triangle in Southeast Asia, and the reefs of the Caribbean. Coral reefs are incredibly important for several reasons. First and foremost, they provide a habitat for a wide variety of marine life. Over 25% of all marine species depend on coral reefs for food, shelter, and breeding grounds. This includes thousands of species of fish, invertebrates, and other sea creatures. Without coral reefs, many of these species would have no place to live. In addition to providing habitat, coral reefs also play a vital role in protecting coastlines. They act as natural barriers, reducing the impact of strong waves and storms. This helps to protect coastal communities from erosion and flooding. Coral reefs also contribute to the economy by supporting fishing and tourism industries. In some countries, coral reefs are a significant source of income from both the fishing of reef species and the tourism associated with reef diving and snorkeling. Coral reefs are home to a wide variety of marine species. It is estimated that over 4,000 species of fish live in coral reef ecosystems, along with many other creatures such as crabs, sea turtles, octopuses, and marine mammals. Some of the most well-known species that rely on coral reefs include clownfish, parrotfish, and surgeonfish. These fish live among the coral, using the structure for protection from predators. Coral reefs also support various invertebrates, such as sea urchins, starfish, and mollusks. Many of these creatures help maintain the health of the reef by feeding on algae or detritus, thus preventing the reef from being overgrown and damaged. For example, herbivorous fish and sea urchins graze on algae, keeping the coral free of harmful growth that could block sunlight. In addition to these smaller creatures, larger animals, such as sea turtles and sharks, rely on coral reefs for food and shelter. Sea turtles use the reefs as resting places, and many species of sharks and rays hunt around coral reefs for prey. The reefs provide a rich environment for these animals to thrive in. Coral reefs are not just important for the animals that live within them, but they also play a crucial role in the broader ocean ecosystem. The reefs are part of a complex web of life in the oceans. They contribute to nutrient cycling, help maintain water quality, and support the food chain. Coral reefs are also home to many types of plankton, tiny organisms that form the foundation of the marine food web. Plankton are eaten by small fish and other creatures, which in turn are eaten by larger predators. This connection creates a delicate balance, where each species plays a role in supporting the overall health of the reef. Additionally, coral reefs help maintain biodiversity. As a diverse ecosystem, coral reefs house thousands of species of fish, invertebrates, and other animals, which interact with each other in complex ways. These interactions help create a stable and resilient ecosystem, one that can withstand the challenges posed by environmental changes such as temperature fluctuations, pollution, and overfishing. Despite their importance, coral reefs are facing a number of serious threats. One of the biggest threats to coral reefs is climate change. Rising ocean temperatures caused by global warming can lead to coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals lose their vibrant colors and become stressed. If temperatures remain high for too long, corals can die, which impacts the entire reef ecosystem. Ocean acidification, caused by increased carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, also affects corals by weakening their calcium carbonate skeletons, making it harder for them to grow and survive. Other human activities, such as overfishing, pollution, and coastal development, also threaten coral reefs. Overfishing depletes the fish populations that rely on the reefs, while pollution from agricultural runoff, oil spills, and plastic waste harms the delicate reef ecosystems. Coastal development, such as building resorts or expanding cities, can damage reefs by blocking sunlight or causing sedimentation, which smothers corals and makes it difficult for them to grow. Given the importance of coral reefs to marine life and human society, it is essential to protect them. Efforts to conserve coral reefs include establishing marine protected areas, reducing pollution, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. Many organizations are working to raise awareness about the importance of coral reefs and are conducting research to better understand how to protect them. One promising approach is coral restoration, where scientists and conservationists are trying to restore damaged reefs by transplanting healthy coral fragments or by breeding coral in labs to be more resistant to environmental stress. While these efforts are still in the early stages, they offer hope for the future of coral reefs and the many species that rely on them. Coral reefs are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, supporting about 25% of all marine species. They provide essential services to marine life, help protect coastal communities, and contribute to the economy through fishing and tourism. However, coral reefs face numerous threats, including climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Protecting coral reefs is crucial for the health of our oceans and the species that depend on them. By raising awareness, conducting research, and taking steps to reduce human impact, we can help ensure that these vibrant ecosystems continue to thrive for generations to come.